At that time I was already working in Romania. I either go to a place like Monaco where I can find a mentor or more mentors and learn from them, or I will stay in Romania to continue my career as a financial advisor, as I was back then. And I got a scholarship from IUM, so now I'm here. My main goal was to combine the practice with the theory. So when I saw the opportunity from IUM, being a banker, part-time banker, because we are just 3 days at the bank and 2 days we are in the university, it felt like a perfect match for me. It allowed me to build a circle of learning. For example, I can go to bank from Monday to Wednesday included and receive feedback from my colleagues of the bank, from my supervisors on my actions. While Thursday and Fridays I use them to improve my knowledge in the financial domain. And then when I come back the next Monday, I will use the knowledge that I build on Thursdays and Fridays and apply what I learned. I would say that coming in Monaco opened the door for me to meet a lot of professionals across different domains that are not common in Romania. And it opened my eyes, it opened my vision towards different types of careers, towards different approaches of, let's say, of mindsets. Coming to Monaco allowed me to see a broader perspective of the professional life as a whole. I have way too many, but I will try to stick to just 2 of them. One of them being academic, one of them being focused more on the social aspect of IUM. The academic came last year during the career week. What I liked the most about the career week was that a lot of people, a lot of professionals from different domains came here very open to talk with us about their experiences, their careers, their challenges, their personal goals, their work-life balance, everything that is included in their life. And from a social aspect, I would say that it's not a particular event in time. It was the entire year, which was this year, which was the 3rd year of my bachelor's degree, because this year I was part of the student association. It was amazing from the social side to be able to provide for the students partnerships, as I have been the head of the deals department. And well, it was such a fulfillment to see students that are enjoying my work and that I can provide to the university, give them back to what they gave me in the beginning. This program, Monaco Banking and Financial Services, I think is the one that is giving most fulfillment to every 3rd year student. I think if you don't know what to do now, so if you're not already very focused on doing a career in, let's say, yachting or aviation or marketing, and you will still try to experience, you can do it in the financial side of Monaco. And it's not about the job that you'll do, but it's the entire environment. You already get a good grasp of the real work here in Monaco. You're being in the office for 8, 9 hours, maybe 10, depending on what the managers are demanding from you. If you know that you want to go into finance, there is no other reason for me to tell you why you should choose this program. I think it's the best by far.